Hi guys, welcome to another video. This video I will be unboxing my iPhone 11 Pro. As you can see right now, I am holding up the gold version, and also in the back I have the box for the military green version, which I will not be unboxing in this video because it's already been unboxed. So as you can see here, it still has the plastic. It's a 256 gigabyte, and it hasn't been opened yet. So the military green is for someone and the gold is for me. And as you can see, both are 256 gigabyte, and they're both with AT&T. As I stated, I will not be unboxing the military green, just kind of showing you guys who have never seen it or would like to see, just showing you the how it looks there. As you can see, the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max are the only ones that come with the 3 cameras. As you guys can see, this is the gold that I'm, for some reason, still showing. So I am going to get ready to take the plastic off. As you can see there, I'm going to show you here. I will be taking the plastic off, and I'm going to fast forward the video a little bit just so I don't have to talk about nothing while I am taking off the plastic. All right, guys, I'm back showing the iPhone 11 Pro. There are the 3 cameras there on the back, and this is the gold color. It's like a shiny gold. I wish for the iPhone 11 Pro it had more color options, but I mean, once you put the case on, who's really going to see, right? That's how I feel. So I'm removing it from the box here, as you guys can see, which I'm going to show you now. The sides are gold. They have gold sides, so I thought that was pretty cool. It looks really nice. And that's the phone there. That's the side. That was the back that I just showed you, and this is the front. Excuse my ring light. I tried to figure out how to not put it like the reflection on there, so I had to kind of like hold it like this so you don't see my face and the reflection of the ring light. So yeah, this is how it looks. Now the iPhone 11 Pro is smaller than the iPhone 11 Pro Max, of course, and it's actually smaller than the iPhone 11, which I thought was quite odd, especially coming from the iPhone 6s Plus. It was a big difference. I'm just now getting adjusted to the size of the phone. Like I said, coming from a larger phone, so it's not too bad. Kind of like it. So I took out the front plastic and just showing you guys details on the sides there, the volume buttons there, and then you have the sound, I guess, like when you put it on silent and off of silent. And on the other side is the power button. Still get used to it. A good tip, if you guys didn't know, like if you don't have it and you're going to get it, since it doesn't have the home button, you can't screenshot pressing the power. Was it the power and the home button. That you screenshot by holding the power button and the top volume button. So that's another tip for you guys. Well, a tip for you guys. I'm just turning on the phone now, and there you go. If you're an OG iPhone user, you know when you first turn it on, it opens and it has like different languages, and you kind of select which language you want it to use. And those are the languages there. And, you know, select your country or your region. Typical iPhone setup stuff. Okay, guys, here is the booklet that comes with the iPhone. It has all of the tips and instructions on how to use the new phone. And that's what the booklet came in. This is the SIM card remover tool. All iPhones have this tool. Here are the known iPhone stickers. These are the headphones that come with the iPhone, which it doesn't come with an adapter, and I think that's stupid. So you need to purchase the adapter to use it for that iPhone. That was the new charging block, and also the new and supposed to be improved lightning charger thing. Here's my tempered glass screen protector that I bought from Five and Below, and also my new phone case that I bought from Five and Below as well to protect my brand new expensive investments. Here is the phone case out of the box, and it looks perfect. I really love the way it looks, and it fits my phone really snug. So that was a great purchase. If you're looking to buy a case for your new iPhone 11 or any iPhone, definitely hit up Five and Below. Well, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching me unbox my brand new iPhone 11 Pro. More videos to come from here. Maybe do a few more unboxings as well. Please like, comment, and subscribe.